I think everybody that can wear sandals should have a pair, personally. My name is Chelsea, and I am the copy lead over our product copywriting team. One of my favorite categories to shop is probably footwear. That's probably where I make the most of my purchases from, but Zulily has super cute booties and boots. I really like browsing the decor and furniture. We get some really unique, interesting furniture, and I know some of the pieces are definitely one of a kind from some of the brands. I actually have I have a bookshelf at home that I got at Zulily that goes like this, and I love it because it's just a weird zigzag, and like there's a side shelves, and it just makes setting up my books and my like knickknacks really fun. These are the Dr. Scholl's booties. I have no booties that are tan or brown and closed toe. And so they're kind of like Oxford-y style, which I really like because it's got that like vintage look. But they're also Dr. Scholl's, so they're super, like the footbed I can tell is like pretty intense. My foot is gonna be really comfortable in here. Yeah, I love the material. It's super soft and like supple. I can wear them with tights or with socks or without any of those things, and in all seasons. They look really cute. I have these Sanuk sandals. So Sanuk is one of my favorite brands. I have at least 3 pairs of their shoes already. They have yoga mat bottoms, so they're really squishy and comfortable. They're great for like walking long distances. I've taken them on international trips. I've taken them to regular beach trips. I love Sanuk sandals so much. And I love these slings. They're fabric, they're like just stretchy enough. They hook around the back of your foot and around the front. And I got a pair of black ones because my other ones are bright blue, so they don't match with everything, but these will. Next, we have my rain poncho. It's a nice navy blue, because that's one of my favorite colors. Once a retail store person, clerk, told me that navy blue made my eyes pop, and so I believed her, and I'll never go back. It has a drawstring at the waist so that my curves can still show in my rain jacket, and then it's got 2 pockets, and I'm not gonna be wet anymore. And this is the last one, and honestly the one I'm most excited about. So these are Merrell. They're like barefoot style trail shoes. Merrell is also one of the brands where I will like always buy things from them. So I bought a pair of hiking boots in 2008, and I still have them, and they're great, and the soles are still pretty well attached. Like they still have a lot of tread. Basically I have 11-year-old hiking boots that are still in incredible condition, and I will always buy their things. They have Vibram rubber soles, which is another important thing to me because they are super tready. So I like that Vibram and Merrell work together to like create like the best of both worlds. They feel like nothing. I'm super excited to wear them. They're a bright blue color. I also like that you can tell that they care about like the shape of your foot and like will work with it because they have this like big toe thing here and then something separate for all your little guys. Thank you for unboxing my Zulily purchase with me. It's been lovely having you guys here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below if you liked it, and tune in for more unboxings later.